Hello, everyone, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're embarking on a fascinating journey into the intriguing world of Halloween, a holiday that captivates hearts and minds across the globe. Join us as we unravel the origins, traditions, and celebrations of this bewitching festivity that has transcended time and borders. This extraordinary celebration, with its roots embedded in ancient traditions, has woven a tapestry of customs and festivities that captivate hearts around the world. As we embark on this exploration, we find ourselves not merely delving into a single night of revelry but immersing in the rich history, diverse customs, and enduring enchantment that define Halloween. Halloween, as we know it today, emerged from the ancient Celtic festival of Samhain. Samhain marked the end of the harvest season and the onset of winter. For the Celts, it was a time when the boundary between the living and the dead blurred, allowing spirits to roam the earth. Bonfires, lit to ward off these wandering spirits, illuminated the night, casting eerie shadows upon the faces of the celebrants. Across continents, Halloween takes on various forms, each one intricately woven with local beliefs and customs. In Ireland, where the ancient festival of Samhain originated, the night is filled with the laughter of children dressed as witches and ghosts, echoing the centuries-old tales of banshees and fairies. In the United States, Halloween embraces a theatrical flair. Elaborate haunted houses rise from suburban lawns, while the streets come alive with a colorful array of characters, from superheroes to mythical creatures. It's a night where communities unite, where houses adorned with cobwebs and pumpkins stand testament to the creativity of its inhabitants. Journey to Mexico, and you'll encounter the vibrant hues of Dia de los Muertos, the Day of the Dead. Far from a somber occasion, this Mexican celebration is a testament to life and love. Families construct intricate altars adorned with marigold petals, photographs, and the favorite foods of their departed loved ones. The air is filled with the scent of copal incense, guiding the spirits back to the world of the living. In the land of the rising sun, Japan, the Obon festival takes on a Halloween-like aura. Rooted in Buddhist traditions, this festival is a time for families to honor their ancestors. Graves are cleaned, and paper lanterns illuminate the night, guiding spirits back to their resting places. Modern Japan embraces Halloween with a fusion of ancient customs and Western influences. Costumed parties and themed events have become increasingly popular, creating a delightful blend of tradition and modernity. As we conclude this mystical journey, I extend my deepest gratitude for joining us. Halloween, with its ancient origins and diverse manifestations, continues to enchant us, reminding us of the threads that connect humanity across cultures. If you enjoyed this adventure into the world of Halloween, remember to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for being a part of our exploration. Until next time, may your days be filled with wonder and the magic of discovery.